Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to prove that the first question is h of x comma y is equal to h of x bar y plus h of y, and the second one is h of x comma y is equal to h of y bar x plus h of x. Okay, let us write the first question here. H of x comma y is equal to h of x bar y plus h of y. Okay, and then yeah, then we know that p of xi comma yj is equal to p of xi bar yj into p of yj, right? Yeah guys. Equation 1. Okay, and also we know the property summation I is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj is equal to p of yj. Yeah, I will put a box to it. Yeah, right, let me consider this as equation 2, then multiply this one, right? And then, yeah, right, h of x comma y is equal to summation I is equal to 1, summation j is equal to 1, p of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of xi comma yj. Yeah. From the equation 1, we can write p of xi comma yj as p of xi bar yj into p of yj, right? Yeah. Then summation I is equal to 1, summation j is equal to 1, p of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of xi bar yj into p of yj, right? Yeah. And then we know that log 1 by mn is equal to log 1 by m plus log 1 by n, right? Yeah. Summation I is equal to 1, summation j is equal to 1, p of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of xi bar yj plus summation I is equal to 1. Yeah, I will slightly move this side. Summation j is equal to 1, p of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of yj, right? Yeah, I will move this to this side. We know that till here we can write it as h of x bar y, right? That is the equation of h of x bar y. Then I will write summation j is equal to 1. Then summation I is equal to 1. P of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of yj. Okay. Yeah, guys. From the equation to summation I is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj, we can write it as p of yj, right? Yeah. Let write it as p of yj, okay, is equal to h of x bar y plus summation j is equal to 1 p of yj into log of 1 by p of yj, okay. Then h of x bar y plus this one can be written as h of y. Okay, yeah. I will slightly move to this side here, right? H of x comma y. Okay. I will put box to this. Okay. Yeah. And next, let us prove this. Okay. H of x comma y is equal to h of y bar x plus h of x. Okay. I will put a line here. Okay. Yeah. I will slightly move it above. Second one, h of x comma y is equal to h of y bar x plus h of x. Okay. Yeah, guys, we know that p of xi comma yj p of xi comma yj is equal to p of yj by xi into p of xi. Okay, I will put a box to this one. Okay, yeah. Let us consider this as equation 3 and next summation j is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj is equal to p of xi, right? Let's consider this as equation 4. Okay, we'll put a box to this. Let would be equation 4. Okay, and then I will slightly move this up. H of x comma y is equal to summation I is equal to 1 summation j is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of xi comma yj, right? And from the equation 3 we can write p of xi comma yj is equal to p of yj bar xi into p of xi, right? Summation I is equal to 1 summation j is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj log of 1 by p of yj by xi into p of xi. Okay, we know that
Log of 1 by mn is equal to log 1 by m plus log 1 by n, right?
then is equal to summation I is equal to 1 summation j is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj into log of 1 by p of yj divided by xi plus I will slightly move to this side summation I is equal to 1 summation j is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj. I will slightly move to this side. Okay, into log of 1 by p of xi. Okay, yeah, I will move to this side. We know that from till here we can write it as h of y bar x, right? Yeah, okay, then put place and then slightly move to this side. We know that summation j is equal to 1 p of xi comma yj is equal to p of xi, right? We can write till here as p of xi, right? Summation I is equal to 1 p of xi into log of 1 by p of xi, right? Yeah. And then I will slightly move to this side. Yeah. Let it would be h of y bar x. We know that this can be written as h of x, right? I will write h of x comma y here. Okay, let's put a box to it. I hope you understand how I prove this, right? If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. We have proved that h of x comma y is equal to h of y bar x plus h of x, and we also proved that h of x comma y is equal to h of x bar y plus h of y, right? Yeah, we successfully prove these two things, h of x comma y is equal to h of x bar y plus h of y, and the second one, h
H of x comma y.
equal to h of y bar x plus h of x. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply, guys. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys.